Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a app store from Sean. This will require a downloader, so if you do not have this, please watch this video in the corner and get that set up. Once that's set up, then you can return to this and complete the install for Sean's app store. In Sean's app store, you'll find a host of apps for movies, live TV, and utilities. Please remember to use a VPN when accessing these apps to protect your privacy and data. These tutorials are for educational purposes only, so I will not be opening any of these apps during this tutorial. So let's get started. Grab your Firestick remote and let's dive in. So once you have a downloader installed, you can open it up. I'll just go to the apps library and select downloader. Then we will need to click on this and enter in the code 950526. 950526. We'll hit go. Please remember, as stated earlier, if you are going to install any apps, please ensure you have your VPN running just to protect your privacy. It says here, recommend to install file managers before you begin. So if I click on that, you will see that actually downloader is an option to manage your files. If you look across on the left, you'll see the option for files. And if you do have any install files, they will be listed here and you can delete them to clear space on your Firestick. So if we go back to the browser, hit the back button, you can see the variety of categories: live TV, catch-up TV, live sports. You can obviously browse these at your leisure, but as I stated earlier, please ensure you are using a VPN. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.